Hi everyone. September 15 Friday market. It's a positive start from opening momentum till 12:15. It was a bullish market, but after 12:15 sell calls generated, so red color candle open. Like this on daily basis in this chart, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Today we have received a sell call at 46 to 57. First target is more than a 100-point target. Second target is more than a 200-point target. Above line is the stop loss line. So daily it will analyze market movement and generate calls automatically. How you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch the chart daily basis. You are just going to open the chart and watch it, and the calls will come automatically. From that entry points you can place manually order in your broker account, or you can go for auto trading also by connecting the broker account to this chart. If you want to know more detail about this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. After 15 minutes of market momentum, it finally break out the first target range. From 46 to 57 to 141, it break out. It's more than a 110-point target. If you want to know details about this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.